Hi, I'm Sean Mahabir. Today I'm going to show you how to install a keyed gun cable lock into an AR-style semi-automatic rifle. To start, make sure the gun is pointed in a safe direction, completely unloaded, and the safety is set. Now, with the bolt in the locked open position, insert the cable through the ejection port and out the magazine well. With the key turned to the farthest clockwise position, insert the loose end of the cable into the padlock. Turn the key counterclockwise, remove it, and make sure the cable is secure. Store your locked firearm and the key in secure separate locations, away from ammunition, children, or unauthorized adults. And please note, a combination cable lock can be used in a similar manner. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.